And volunteers in Salt Lake County are preparing for possible spring flooding. They're working to fill 15,000 sandbags. ABC4's Kayla Beggarly has that story.
Well, here you'll see large piles of sand, and already several volunteers have been here to fill bag after bag. But with so much work to be done, there's always room for more help. They say if you want to join in, make sure that you bring your own gloves, your shovel, and you're ready to fill.
That's what's good about living in Salt Lake Valley, Utah, the community service. The people are always helping out.
Today, volunteers at a flood shed in Midvale shoveling, getting their hands dirty and filling sandbags to help prepare Salt Lake County for any possible floods. This coming after all the snow we've had this winter has created concern for potential flooding.
I think we're in this for a couple of months as we observe and as our teams take action. And I'll just say, having the public come out and help us is such a necessity. There's a lot of sandbags that need to be filled.
Clint Meckham, the Salt Lake County Emergency Management Director, says proactive measures like today's can prevent damage from events like floods in the future.
The more we can do in the preparation and mitigation side pre-event, the better our outcomes are during response and recovery. For every dollar that we spend in the mitigation area, it's the equivalent of up to $12 worth of response activities.
Some volunteers remembering flooding they've personally experienced before and say they want to do anything they can to help mitigate that.
Back up in Ogden, we had a flood like a couple years ago. I just destroyed everything down there. So to me, it's important to, keep water where it should be, keep it in irrigation, keep it in, mountains especially.
J.L. Kirby remembers the massive floods in Salt Lake City in 1983.
Because Main Street was flooded. It was like a river.
Filling sandbags back then is where she met her husband, Michael. And here they are again today, hoping to give back.
I think we all benefit from just working together. It's what makes a community, is people helping each other, just giving a little bit that you can when you can.
Well, they're finishing up for today, but if you missed it and still want to help, you'll be able to come tomorrow from 8 to 4. Water is being provided and people will be able to take up to 25 sandbags to their homes. Reporting from Midvale, Kayla Baggarly, ABC4 News.